Camel.
Camel.
Very good. Now this is a giraffe.
Right.
Giraffe. Very good. And a rabbit.
Rabbit.
Very good. These are animals.
Animals.
Very good. You get a car. Good job, Rose. Now let's proceed.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, now do you like to sing? Okay, repeat after teacher, okay? Now say walking, walking.
Okay, walking.
Hop, hop, hop.
Hop, hop, hop.
Running, running, running.
Running, running, running.
Now let's stop.
Now let's go.
Now let's stop.
Now let's stop.
Very good. Okay, now let's sing. Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop.
All right, now say walking, walking. Okay, walking, walking.
Walking.
Hop, hop, hop.
Hop, hop, hop.
Good. Running, running, running.
Running, running, running.
Now let's stop.
Now let's stop.
Okay, very good. Right, now let's read the letters. Okay?
Okay.
Now, okay, repeat after teacher. R.
R.
Right. And D.
E.
H.
H.
H. J.
J.
E.
E.
T.
T.
M.
M.
A.
E.
N.
N.
Okay. Read
Okay.
again. Okay. Read. Can you read the letters? Okay. This one. What is this? R.
G.
R.
G.
J. Okay. Read again. Start from the beginning. R.
R.
D.
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 H.
H.
Okay. H.
H.
J. J.
G. G.
E.
E.
T.
T.
M.
M.
A.
A.
N.
N.
Very good. Right. Now let's make a sound. Okay. Now follow teacher. D. D. D.
D. D.
H.
H. H.
J. J.
G. G.
Mm.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Okay. Mm.
Mm.
R. R.
Uh.
E. E.
E. E.
A.
A.
All right. Now let's blend the sounds, okay? Now say hen. Hen.
Hen.
Hen.
Head.
Okay. Red.
Rat.
Red.
Rat.
Hat.
Hat.
Okay. Jam.
Jam.
All right. Again. Hen.
Head.
Okay. Red.
Rat.
Right. Hat.
Hat.
Jam.
Jet. Jet.
Very. Jam. Okay.
Jet.
Very good. Get a star. Very good, Rose. Now let's proceed. Welcome. Now, a red hen in a red hat is eating red jam. Run, hen. Run, red hen. What can you see on the picture? This is a
Bitch.
red hen.
Red hand.
Very good. Now, who is wearing a red hat?
Who where is red hat?
Yes, who is wearing a red hat? It is the hen.
Hen. Hen.
Hen. Yes, and who is eating the jam? It is the
Shat.
hen. Yes, the hen is eating a red jam. Now, which animal is looking at the hen? Which animal is looking at the hen?
That.
It is a
Fox.
fox. Very good. Good job. So the fox is looking at the red hen. Okay. Now, look. Paul, Shelley, and Phil are having a school trip. They are in the art gallery. The guide will introduce some paintings of animals to them today. Now, what can you see on the picture? There is a,
Very sea.
what is this? What can you see? What is this?
What's this?
Yes, it
Look.
is a fox.
Fox.
Yes, very good. Now, what color is the fox?
Fox.
Yes, what color is the fox? It is color
Color. Fox.
orange. Orange.
Orange.
Yes, so the fox is in the picture. Do you want to make friends with a fox, Rose?
Fox.
Yes, do you like a fox to be your friend?
Fox.
Yes. Do you want to play with the fox?
Fox. Fox.
Yes. Do you want to play with the fox?
Fox.
Okay, very good. All right. So now, after listening to the guide's instruction, the teacher will give the kids more information. Look, Paul is asking a question about the fox. Paul is asking, where does a fox live? So, where does a fox live? The teacher answers Paul. A fox lives in the forest. Now, where does a fox live, Rose? Where does a fox live? A fox lives in the forest. Say forest.
Fox
Lives. A fox lives in the forest.
Fox.
Yes. Now, where can you find lots of trees? Where can you find lots of trees? In the forest.
The forest.
Yes, very good. Now, do you want to play in the forest? Yes, forest. Very good. Now, the guide takes the animals to the next painting. Look, there is another animal. What is it? Did it say?
C.
Camel.
Camel.
Yes, and a camel has two humps. 1, 2. Hump. Yes, 1, 2. 1.
Two. Camel.
Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, now can you circle the humps of the camel? Let us circle the humps of the camel. So there are 1 and 2, 2 humps. Now, do you want to have a camel as your pet? Do you like to play with the camel?
Camel.
Yes, camel. Very good. Now, where does a camel live?
Camel.
Yes, a camel lives in the desert. Yes, desert. Okay. Does it rain in the desert? Does it rain in the desert? A desert is a dry area with few plants and animals and little rain. It seldom rains in the desert. Okay?
Okay.
Now, does it rain a lot in the desert? No. Okay. Now, after learning about the forest and the desert, the animals and the desert animals, the guide takes the kids to the last picture of their trip. What animal is this? What animal is this? Did it say? What animal is this? It is a shark. Shark.
Shark.
Shark. Okay, now it is a shark. Where does a shark live? So a shark lives in the ocean.
Shark.
Shark lives, yes, in the ocean. Say ocean.
Ocean. Shark.
Very, yes, shark lives in the ocean. So now the ocean is full of salt water. Do you want to live in an ocean?
Shark.
Yes, shark. All right. Now, fox, you repeat after teacher, okay?
Okay.
Fox. Okay. Fox.
Fox.
Good. Now let's say camel. Camel.
Camel.
Good. Now say shark.
Shark. Shark.
All right. Very good. Now say forest. Forest.
Forest.
Very good. Now say desert. 1, 2. Desert. Desert. Yes. Desert.
Desert.
Good. Now say ocean. Ocean.
Ocean.
Very good. Good job, Rose. Next is star. Right. Now, can you help Paul find the fox? Where is the fox? Yes. Help Paul find the fox.
Fox.
Where is the fox? Yes. Fox. Yes. And the camel. Where is the camel?
Camel.
Yes. Camel. And the shark. Where is the shark?
Shark.
Shark. Yes. And the giraffe. Okay. Giraffe. Say giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Yes, very good. Now look at the map. Where is the desert? Where is the desert? Can you help? Yes, help teacher find the desert. This
Fish.
one. Yes, and the forest.
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 Very good. And the ocean.
Ocean. Ocean.
Very good. Good job. You get a star. Very good. Now let's proceed. Can you pop the bubble? Can you pop the fox? Yes, pop the fox.
Fox.
Pop. Yes, pop the fox. Pop. Pop.
Fox.
Pop. Okay, now pop the shark. Pop the shark. Pop. Shark. Good. Now pop the other shark. Very good. Good job. Now pop the camel.
Camel.
Yes, pop the camel. Very good. Pop. Good job. Very good, Rose. Good job. Very good.
Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome. Now, let's turn the cards. What is in the picture? Say, camel.
Camel.
Yes. And desert. Fox. Shark. And the ocean. Say ocean.
Ocean.
Very good. Good job. Now, can we drag the animal that lives in the desert? Which animal lives in the desert? It is the fox lives in the forest. Right. Now, the shark lives in the ocean and the camel lives in the desert. Okay. The camel. Very good. Good job.
Thank you.
Yes, very good. Now let's spin. Click, click the button. Click the start button. Yes. Okay. Now What animal is this? It is the... What animal is this?
Cat. Cat.
Camel.
Camel.
Very good. Where does the animal live? So, a camel lives in the desert.
Camel.
Desert. Okay, click again. Click. Start. Okay. Now, what animal is this? Did you say? Bird.
Bird.
Bird. Very good.
Bird.
Good job. Okay, it is say bird. Now, which animal lives in the forest? Which animal lives in the forest? It is the...
Forest.
Yes, a fox lives in the forest. Very good. Good job. Now, does a bear live in the forest too?
Forest.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now which animal live in the desert? Which animal live in the desert? Yes, very good. So a camel lives...
Camel.
Yes, in the desert. So a camel lives in the desert. Very good. Now, which animal lives in the ocean? Which animal lives in the ocean?
Ocean.
Yes. Which animal lives in the ocean? Yes. Very good. So,
Yes.
shark. Shark.
Shark.
Yes.
Shark.
Does a pig live in the ocean too? No.
No.
No, because the pig cannot swim. So only the shark lives in the ocean. Okay, now in this lesson, we have learned
Fox.
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 Yes, and the forest.
Fox.
Yes, forest.
Forest.
Very good. Now the camel.
Camel.
Yes, desert.
Camel.
Yes, desert.
Desert.
Shark.
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 And the
Shark.
ocean.
Ocean.
Good. So now a fox lives in the
Ocean.
forest. The fox lives in the forest. Yes,
Forest.
forest. Now a camel lives in the desert.
Camel.
Yes, camel lives in the desert. And a shark lives
Shark.
in the ocean.
Ocean.
Yes, so again, this is the
Fox.
fox. Very good. And this is the...
Camel.
Very good. And the...
Shark.
shark. Very good. Good job. Yes, so today we have 1, 2, let's count 3,
4.
4,
4.
5, 5.
5.
Yes, we have 5 stars. 5 stars. Now give teacher high five. High five. High five. Very good. You did a good job today. Now, yes. So now it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Did you have fun in our lesson today?
Today,
Did you have fun? Yes. Did you enjoy our lesson?
lesson.
Yes.
Lesson.
Yes. Did you like our lesson today?
Today.
Yes. So you did. You did a good job. Very good. Now I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. I'll see you
Okay.
in my class.
Thank
Okay.
you.
All right. So